Meaning of intelligent.
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 Intelligent. The term intelligent generally refers to having the ability to learn, reason, and solve problems. It can also describe individuals or systems that possess a high level of cognitive ability, creativity, and adaptability. Intelligence can be measured in a variety of ways, including IQ tests, achievement tests, and performance on specific tasks. However, intelligence is a complex and multi-dimensional concept, and there is still much debate among researchers and scholars about how it should be defined and measured.